up on my enemy. Usase funga jokusiya please. Moyo no pinda peace. Unora pwane whiskey. Sagandati rure. Inewo mumambure momo. Mumambure momo. Bawandi pendura digitexta. Abaga batindi no mecha.
YouTube. What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Praise_Dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? So I heard you guys. Some of you were complaining that Praise, you should use English in some of your videos so that everyone will understand what you're trying to say. So guys, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using Shona in my videos, right? But I'm gonna be trying to put some captions that are matching the actions that I'm doing. For example, like I'm going to town, right? I'll just write now I'm going to town, and then put the music, whatever that I'm gonna explain. It's not gonna be a big deal. You just know that I'm going to town. If you don't understand Shona, if I say now I'm doing the chores, if you see me pushing the wheelbarrow, cleaning the house, you just know that I'm cleaning the house, right? But anyways, that's not the topic. Today I'm gonna be showing you Mbuzi roundabout. I'm gonna be showing you Panchagona, the beautifulest road in Zimbabwe. Yeah. And what else? And also today I'm gonna be showing you Patavi the project yekuvaka imba. Like recently I posted a video shit I'm renovating my mom's house, right? And today I'm gonna be showing you stage Atavi, my final touch-ups Asara and stuff. Do you understand? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be showing you today in this video which is coming. So if it's the first time, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content, understand? So that I will keep on dropping each and every time. Shout out to girl Pagamana Nozochi. Some of you I'm gonna laugh like naturally. Do you still remember the last video I was complaining about data? Digital data, so I say Asubatika, and stuff. Someone just hit my DM, I found this one's Praise. The corner you're complaining about data and stuff. So do you mind the kubadara my gigs? I thought on the moon with my gigs are under Maria card, and then I will just pay the half amount, and then you will also go baraji half amount, so that we not content, because we want content. This name with data could do, I also want content. So don't go kupamara just for free. Could you not think data, guys? I don't know I say, guys, but just know that I just want to thank you so much, and I really appreciate some name this, guys. Never send my stickers in the comment section. Imario, thank you so much for supporting your boy. Do you understand? Keep on doing that. This was okay. So what's gonna be happening today is like, in fact, why am I even wasting your time explaining? Just watch it yourself. Let's go. Let's get into the video. Django.
Tudakubora window remba. Then todesa window rangari kumberi kutori bvisa. Torisa patabora, then patabora topavhara kuti isare ya room. Then yasara ya room yenye window nyowanga yakaisweko kwandika. So yeah, that's what's gonna be happening today. Twitter my renovation eimba. And then kana tapedza, I'm gonna go to Mbudzi roundabout ko pane mari yandakaiswa nefan. A big shout out to her. Saka parotumira mara chana nezo wachona yera funga bang she's kidding. But it's someone who is UK. I'm sure +4 is UK, and yeah, a big shout out to her. Much love, man. Sending love to you. And then so ndapedza izvo ndichabva ndaenda kumbudzi roundabout ndonokolekta mari yokumukuru, and then kana ndakolekta mari yokumukuru I'm gonna give you a vlog Mbudzi roundabout interchange. Kune vakabva kuno kudhara masi yambudzi chiri kuvakwa yana about 5 years chivakwa, and I'm gonna show you that roundabout kuti yapapi zviri kufamba here, process kubva from point A to point B parudyi kwamari pane zviri kuitika here, pane zviri kufamba here, yamira sei, pane kwatiri kuendera. I'm gonna show you all of that. You understand? Don't mind my face, it's looking so crusty because asada gesa plus I'm helping there. So ndichazogesa kana ndase ndapedza. So make sure you watch the vlog to the end. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and you share. Subscribe, road to 10,000, road to 10,000 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe. Saka ndo zvinenge zviri pamvlog muno. You understand? It's a boy. Let's get it.
Jana jedu ndauya sektora. peace unorapwa newhiskey saka ndati rure inewo mumambure imomo pawandipindura ndichitexta aba vangu vati ndinomecha rudo rwandakopa waipasta sibrando wanditemesa musoro mebakare question chawakada chipa na gangsta ukandipa wana kokamfamo kwadutire tu we go be alone tatarira undiripa miribenzira ukatondiona uchasimuza ruoko imika my maria undiripa miribenzira ukatondiona uchasimuza ruoko unorapwa newhiskey saka ndati
so tiri pana pambudzi roundabout apa ndo pambari pamongo pembudzi roundabout pamba ne police station if you still remember ndipanapa apa ndo sofa chaiswa apa then apapo ndo paimira mabhazi muroundabout macho nemomo so tichaona to access sei since maroads akavhara tichaona toriwa access yekuita sei kuti tige tichipinda pakati payo tichiona kuti what's happening and what's popping again. Yeah, because scooter side the roads they are closed. As you can see, the guys they are working, and we can't see exactly what's happening. But Shandawana so far, Jauti Mbuz roundabout Afurwa, where you know, from Boka, from Mashingo, ichienda to town. Even though Asada Pida Pagat Pioneers no Fambase. So let's try to get Ikoku through that area and see what's popping there. Let's get it.
Already I'm pissed off because this dusty construction actually be about them. Ish.
Already, but here guys, and open the process up. As you can see, apapo ndo pane roundabout. Ndo pane mabus, pane mabus bakata. Yo road iri kumberi uko iri kuenda kuMachipisa. As you can see, the cars that are going there is going to Machipisa. And yeah, that's the process which is taking place here, reporting live at Mbudzi roundabout. Do you understand? Look at this thing, Chikisa Tara and stuff. As you can see, you understand? So the process yaitika so far pano pambudzi roundabout and way yangovhurwa chete 1. I'm gonna put it on the screen as I am explaining to you. Way yangovhurwa chete ndeyo 1 yamuri kuona inobva kuMasvingo road uko ichinoenda kwaMachipisa way dzimwe dzese zichirugadzirwa inokwidza kuchitungwiza Ivans iyo ichirugadzirwa iyoyi ndio inokwidza kuti kunonzi kuma steps. As you can see, I don't know why this roundabout is even taking so many years kuti vapedze, but there's process though, there's progress which is taking place though. Unotoshaura kuti mari dzikudyiwa here kana zvii zvikunyanya kunetsa unotoshaya kozi ndakada kuti memba ndakabva kunoku I think 2021 and zvaka zvototanga kudhara but seems like vachingori panzvimbo 1 but yeah that's what's happening here uya kutora wasungura gemuchigredho tadza kuita zvebasa yeah we out here and iyo ndo hopliyo then iyo iwaterfalls iyo ndinozokwidza kwana zindoga magaya chichichichi iyi ndo the other way inenge chibva from Chitungwiza uko ichikuidza uenda kutown through ka that way ako karonodaiso ako makaona ndoka way kachona kanobva kaenda kutown ichiri kutotsindirwe they are still ramming it neuko kumusoro let me zoom that's why I use an iPhone musoroko as you can see so ikeza ndoro dino iri kuenda muroundabout iyo from Chitungwiza. So all the pics that you are seeing on social media ndezvekunyepa zvazvo hakuna process yaboti inyatsofamba. As you can see here nekatara kanokwidza uko. As you can see tower lights what and stuff. Yeah, ndipo patiri panapa iro tinobva kuIvins uko nekuna naHopley Chitungwiza kokoko ndiko kwacho neko kuna naseke enopima kuone kunze mukati nepakati zvese koko ndiko kunobva zvasikana zvakangodaro daro ikokoko so madi koko ndiko kwacho neko. So guys, I thought maybe I was not gonna be able to vlog inside Mbudzi roundabout, but as of no man, for my people I have to do it. Because I don't know Chitungwiza, then I have to walk back roundabout, even though there's no ways. You can see Rufamba nema Brukushkum, Musmadina, Munombu, content, then Mamarigo subscriber. You can see. So yeah, no. As you can see, Madina Madufamba killing my expensive Jordans. Black cage for you guys. This is a 2,500 shoe. This one very expensive, but anyways, so you guys now we are inside Mbudzi roundabout. Pandopa ilo drama bus mashingo South Africa chichichi vanoziva Mbudzi roundabout. Iyi ndio ndonzi Mbudzi market yachona, Mbudzi complex, Mbudzi mall, whatever. Yakaita kuita dust sha kuita kusheka unge munhu ari kuona vakashata. Anyways dust iri muno guys. Let me go with you to the flyover and then munyasoona zvekufamba. As you can see they are constructing the road. Pesa apa ndipo pane zvima hardway zviizvi zvakabviswa pa 2 grade ramukuona. So let me go deeper roundabout machine and then I will show you stations. Mbudzi market opposite Mbudzi market ndapa pane road kuna mune mudenga. I'm not sure guys if this more kuti charamba iri pekano chabviswa Mbudzi market. I'm not so sure because maonero ndozvita anofunga kuti charamba iri paground and I think chabviswa. And yeah, now takuenda kwakanaka kwacho this roundabout. So stay tuned. Are we going to the better part or the beautiful part of the roundabout, the one which is finished yet? Ndo kwakaiswa lawn ndokune mafuro manyoro ndiko zvekare kune way yakaita se yakavhurwa yakushanda neka flyover yakushanda. Do you understand? So yeah, let's go and check kuti tosvikire papo. So ndi apapo as you can see up. As you can see, that's the beautiful part of the roundabout. Pakaiswa malawns apo. That's the side view. I'm gonna go up there on top. Yo guys, I'm very tired and I'm sweating everywhere. Even in my pants I'm sweating. You can see it guys. So yeah, as you can see guys, that's the beautiful part, and the most amazing part is this one. So we're gonna go through this road inside the flyover and see what's popping. Guys, do you see how I'm sweating? and then you and I gonna split, you're gonna skip my ads. Yo, God will punish you. So ndo patala panapa. This is something like loan, and yeah, as you can see, that's the flyover. So now we inside the flyover. Siroti mota zechikwiza na chitungiza. Sange zvione panapa futi. Zikuenda ku South Africa masvingo. Zechikwiza nepadenga. Padenga pe Grimba napa. And this door down there. Ndokuna na Glenora chichichi ndo zvakare kune way yekuenda machipisa. So yeah, panapa na namba. Vaona ndo bata andirowa vanhu. Fana Cape Town ndikati. Ndobhura kupruna chacheko. Topoenda musoro. But yeah guys, ndo matayo muno. Flyover as you can see. Muno. Ndo marapinda muno. Vaiziva pane kwala, ndo pambo rine kwala hapo. Pakanzi sari chichi hapo. Kana mutimboziva pamakamboiswa kunonzi ichi. Hanzi mbudzi pambudzi ichi pamanika mbudzi ndi apapo. Nepainzwa extra mile pazvese ndi apapo. Extra mile pa leisure sport paivana babashero na macheso. Ndo patawo panapo, ndo patata rino. Painzwa kwala kana mukazva ndi apapa. Ndipo pane safe station or garage ndipo apapa pakwala somewhere there. Imo mata kadomira muno ndo mamne garage muno. Okay, garage safe station inoiti garage South Africa, so I'm used to. So so face road ichi. And yeah, look at this one. Yo, this looks so beautiful, right? Look at my tanks, some brush my outlets, and the bridge is going over there. Yeah, looks like it's making sense though. You understand? And yeah, so this road is now working. They opened the road and it's working. It's going to South Africa, Masvingo, Ushokunze, South Park, Boka and stuff, and also it's going to Machipisa. As you can see, more that's go famba down there. So do part of the chicken way. You understand? Aba ne balance pa leisure pambuzi bashina pa hemuro. Papa. So my flows e forge that's down the road, down there. Don't my flows e forge. Let me try to zoom up apo. Do my flows. Do pa ne marimi papa. Do kuno zinga za forge kwari kuno kwa no biro mari. You understand? And this part looks so nice. And you know any another way futhi yokwidza kana kumachipisa. So sikuroti mota dzinoenda ku town dzinoenda padenga apa. Zinobuda roundabout tomorrow. Dzienda kwa masvingo chichindo kwadzinoenda. Then dzinoenda kwa machipisa dzinoshandisa ka this road. Dzonyenyeredza roundabout dzina ne pass pe roundabout. Dzinoenda na hopeless chungiza dzina ne pass pe flyover. Yo. Yeah, the intersection looks so nice though. Even though it's a but I can see it is nice. And yeah, up there. So what I'm gonna do now, let me try to go up there so that I will show you guys what's happening on top there. Do you understand? So yeah, let's go. Let's get into it. But yeah, for content I have to do it, guys, for you all. So let's go and check what's popping up there. When I guys were around about Doro Tipadinga Nachkura Zai, and I was using the down party road, but I can't pass up. Guys, I'm sweating, bruh. Yo, nada good jump, but it's French issue. And the one person no quarter you, eh? When I guys motor. You know, from I could say how many sides, yay. Yo, kuzimbabwe kumishikashi kwa unakana penda uri moja kana do. No one. But yeah, those right road destination. As you can see, there's some nice tower lights there. Which is gonna bring light during the day. Yo guys, I'm so tired. But good diaspora. Team diaspora, send some money. You see how I'm sweating. Team diaspora, send some money. You see how I'm sweating. To show you guys what's going on. Because when I said I want to read it, because I'm content. When I started to go much, I said the my drinks. As you can see, yeah. So panapapo, dupane boka, tobacco flows. Varimi, dupa ono ya na sekuro nyapo. Vayo zobiro mari ma. Panapa dupa is Malaysia sport. Sorry to use that word, but I do it now. Ravano days when I roam around do. Then apapo, when I see you, apapo. Papa nema Bauer and South Wind, so angari nemkurumbira. My faro. And apa pandopa headquarters pane zvemagrade ane zvimachichichi pe team TF4 maroshana panapa. So yeah, that was the vlog, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the vlog. If you have enjoyed the vlog, make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content, guys. I'm very tired, guys, but I tried by all means kufamba from Kwaboka kunopata kumusoro ko kuduze ku Ivinze kwenda kuchitungwizo, then from there kunopata kunzoko kuti kuenda kwaZindoka kutaura. Guys, I walked almost 5 kilometers. Ndichikupa tour here this roundabout. So make sure kuti the effort goes unnoticed. So guys, make sure no effort you should not go unnoticed. Do you understand? Just appreciate men by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. Do you understand? I think I'm gonna end the vlog here since the roundabout is ending here. I showed you Pananchika Kunchipa Kumba, and I don't think I'm gonna show you again the numbers. So that Kumba because the divide the same. So I'm going to go text or maybe I will request, but my phone is low now. I think, but I'm sure I have 1%. But anyways, guys, I thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you subscribe, you like, comment, and share. If you want more and more of this, tell me down in the comment section. If you want content like I want to tell me down in the comment section. I'm planning to go to the farm ASAP. So make sure you're staying tuned and connected to this channel because I'm gonna be giving you more and more real authentic indigenous, is it indigenous or indigenous content. So make sure you stay tuned. I love you guys. Peace out.